Hey guys, it's Lorran back with part 2. Hopefully today we can get past the cafe. Tim, we will free you soon. Okay, let's go to the cafe.
I'm going to kill some kids.
I heard him, so I had to hide out for a bit. Oh no, he's right there! So I was trying to get into the guard's office, but Rod was lurking.
Oh, hell no!
Always hiding around the corners. Rod was chasing me for a bit. He was actually just camping upstairs. How am I meant to get to the office now? Got the keycard. Get away, Rod. I'm not too sure what this keycard is for, but I know it is for the cafe. Going to the cafe with Timbo. Me and Rod start playing tag around the van. And we then played hide and seek. I won. This is the furthest I have gone. I hear Rod and he has no sense of privacy. Once again, dank breath. Okay, attempt 2. We will save you, Tim! So I was trying to get to the kitchen. But Rod was, of course, making it difficult. Let's go quickly before he comes back. We got Paul's keycard. I wonder what is in the trash. I think the apron would look good on Rod. It's better than his moldy clothes. Okay, let's get in. Let's use the keycard. Struggling to get in for a hot minute. I was just exploring the basement. Then I found a storage key. R.I.P. Paul's ID card. So we have to go to the parking lot now. To get to the storage room. I was looking everywhere for storage room 235. Bingo! I think we need to use the pliers in here. Let's not die right now. I'm so sorry, guys. I just could not find where to use the pliers. I'll come back tomorrow, and we will free Tim. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. It helps out the channel.